Here are the tools that you're going to need for this job. First step, go ahead and remove the wheel. Now turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, grab your C-clamp and squeeze the caliper back. Then take your 14mm socket and remove the 2 bolts that hold the caliper onto the bracket. Then remove the caliper and reposition it out of the way. Then grab your 18mm socket and remove the 2 bolts that hold the bracket onto the knuckle. Then remove the bracket from the knuckle. Next, grab your T30 Torx bit and remove the screw that holds the rotor onto the vehicle. Then remove the rotor. Next, grab your die grinder and clean all the rust from the surface of the hub. Then remove the old brake pads and the old brake pad hardware and clean up the surface of the brake caliper bracket. Once the surface is clean, go ahead and apply a fresh coat of lubrication to the bracket. Then install your new hardware and apply a fresh coat of lubrication to that as well. Then remove your slide pins and clean and lubricate those also. Then repeat the process for the other side. Now install your new brake rotor and then reinstall the brake caliper bracket. And go ahead and reinstall the corresponding bolts. Now you're ready to install your pads. The one with the pad wear indicator is going to go on the inside. The one without the pad wear indicator is going to go on the outside. Next, grab your C-clamp and the old brake pad and squeeze the caliper back the rest of the way. Once it's squeezed back the rest of the way, go ahead and reinstall the caliper and the corresponding bolts. Now turn the wheel back straight, reinstall your wheel and your 5 lug nuts. Next, torque your wheel to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Then go ahead and open up your hood and check the brake fluid. Make sure it's full. And if it is, then go ahead and close the hood. And then you're going to pump up your brake pedal until you get a nice firm pedal. And you're ready for a drive. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.